Step 1. Download RedteaGO App from Play Store. Step 2. Login and browsing. Step 3. Select your destination and place order. Step 4. Activate your eSIM. Find your recently purchased order in the order list and click Download eSIM to activate the plan. The activation process may take 2 to 3 minutes. If you haven't arrived at your destination yet, set up calls, texts, and mobile data as primary on your main SIM. Upon arrival, switch your mobile data to the eSIM to start enjoying network access. Don't forget to toggle on data roaming for your eSIM to ensure connectivity. Want to make switch? You can manage the installed eSIM in the settings.